Hey guys, this is Mukul. So how's all going? Like house arrest, Corona thing? Anyways, so while we were cleaning our home today, we came across one of the stuffs which Sushmita, my wife, she got from her office about some 10-12 years ago. We shifted from cities, and so it's sort of like we lost it. So, but while cleaning today, we came across that particular thing. So, let me show you the black dog. So, as you are aware of, the black dog is like usually the whiskey thing, which you all know, but this is not the whiskey one. This is not a whiskey, this is not any drinks. It is one of those merchandise which Black Dog used to give as a gift. I'll show you what's inside. It's interesting. Check it out. So let's see what's inside. Ta-ta-da. Okay. There are boxes, and on top of that it's written Black Dog Deluxe. Some description is given below there. So these are the small boxes that we can see. Now what are these? So these ribbons actually help us to get up these boxes. This Black Dog, proudly old-fashioned distilleries, Speyside. I have no idea what Speyside is. The Black Dog Scotch Whisky Trail. What's inside? My God! Matchsticks. So it's actually a matchbox. So these are the compilation of 4 matchboxes. Yeah, of course, there's nothing exceptional. Only thing is that the size of the matchstick is pretty big. Speyside. Front looks the same. Of course, the design is different. The Lowlands. Oh, okay. I suppose in different boxes the Highlands. Yes. The Highlands. There's been a description given. Like, have a look at your convenient time. And this is Islay. The Islay malts are noted for their strong, petty character. Okay, so I suppose these are the boxes, each of which depicts the different flavors of the Highland malt. So this is pretty much of it. There's a Black Dog box. The quality of the board, the matchbox, the feel and finish, it's quite a premium one. And there's been description given at the back of each. So that's pretty much of it. The Black Dog mystery box. So how was that? The Black Dog matchbox. Yeah, that's the reason instead of taking matchbox, I was referring to it as a mystery box. It was a mystery indeed. So if you happen to like this small video of mine, don't forget to give a like and subscribe to my channel, Travofood. Okay, bye. Ciao.